There's a lot of money in commerce. People have made crores and billions, but you can also earn if you know how to do competitor analysis, if you know how to do competitive analysis, but you don't know how to do product analysis or market analysis, but that's not a problem. I will teach you how to do competitor analysis and competitive analysis. So stay with me. First, let's do a complete x-ray of the entire market and industry. First of all, we look at the product. We check whether there is even a market for it, or not, whether the market size is small or large, and whether the market is growing, exists, and whether this market has already been captured. Who are the top competitors? Is it Amazon, or are there any other key players for the customer? Is it a shipping-friendly product or something else? And most importantly, is the market easy to enter or is it difficult? Once you do all this, you get to know what your market competition is like and whether the product you have chosen will work in the market or not. It's essential to study this before launching, and now I'll tell you about competition, meaning a thorough investigation of your special competitors. In this, what we do is look at the product and pricing. What your competitors are selling, what their prices are, what discounts on subscriptions, free delivery, cash on delivery options they offer. Then we look at the USP, whether your product is a unique product in the market, or if you are just picking up a product that is already popular and you want to start using that product as well. Then comes your website, whether it's built on WordPress, Shopify, Magento, or custom, whether there are any security issues, if it's vulnerable in any way, what payment methods are available. The biggest issue that comes up is with the user experience. Is it possible that customers are coming to your website but not even checking out? Then what's the point? It's just a waste of money. After that, we analyze performance marketing, where your competitors are running their campaigns. Like on Facebook, Instagram, Google, TikTok, Snapchat, where are they running their ads? There are all types: static, videos, carousel sales, reels, what exactly is it? And then on Google, what kind of methods are being used? Are they running performance ads or shopping ads? We analyze all of that. So then you start to understand. You get to know what kind of strategy you need to create. And along with that, when you're doing all this, you also need to look at SEO. You have to check whether the keywords you're working on or planning to work on have a lot of competition, whether there's search volume for them or not, whether it will be beneficial to rank for them or not. All this is part of competition and competitor analysis. I've just given you a brief overview here. If you want a complete guide, write competition in the comments and get the guide in your inbox.